That's been awesome. I love it when I just get the right people together in a room and they give us something like that. I guess the last thing I'd like to do for each of you, so for each of our speakers, what is the key takeaway, you think, from this session for everybody today that you want to share and that you want to share with our wider community when this recording goes up on our YouTube channel? You all get to be embarrassed by that. So your key takeaway, your key message today. Anyone brave enough to go first? Or shall I give you some thinking time? Okay. Excellent. Right, Gary's up for it.
I can try this one. I always have some answer. It might be the right one, but something. No, like one thing that really strikes me is the amount of people looking to do work and wanting to do something. And I think that it's having that opportunity to act, and, from the community groups who, as Michael said, the doors just opened, like, what's the story, sliding through, and you'd expect a bit more resistance. And we find the same with the farmers we work with, who often, farmers, how do you work with farmers? Oh, no, I'm not going to go near farmers now, we leave them. But farmers are absolutely brilliant to work with. And like we have a list of probably 100 restoration sites coming through that are coming to us, mostly with farmers, without us going chasing anyone at all, So there's loads of people, including farmers, that are willing to do work once it's done in a way that works for them, that makes sense for them, that respects what their needs and their wants as well. And so I see it in farmers and community groups and everything. So I think it's very positive to have that demand there, and then the challenge is meeting that demand, then keeping the funding going and the expertise in place. So as somebody said, it's great to see so many young people at this conference as well who are working and building careers in different aspects of peatland conservation, restoration, from your hydrologist. I know I give scientists a hard time. I'm an academic. I was an academic myself background, so I was only kind of just being devil's advocate a bit. But you do need everybody together. So I think it's inspiring to see that.
Colm?
I was very impressed by the two Midlander boys over there, I have to say.
Two boggers.
And just to see what your community has done is fantastic, and voluntary and great work done by administratively and everything. It's amazing to see what people, when they get together, what they're able to achieve. And with the help of our NPWS, we'll take over the world, I suppose.
My turn then. I suppose the key thing for me is that I wish more people knew how important community engagement was in delivering their goals and their policies, because they are so key to driving everything, even if it's from the likes of the two men over there, or Colm being a farmer trying to deliver the Natura communities. So that would be mine.
Michael?
Yeah, I'd just say, probably echo a lot of what's been said. And again, as somebody relatively new to this, I would say just have a go if there's somebody out there who is maybe thinking about doing something, or part of a community group, and they're wondering how will they start. There's so much help. As like I said, doors just keep opening, and there's so much help out there. Just give it a go. It's such a wonderful thing to do, and it's a way to leave a bit of a legacy. If you've been involved in something that's going to be there for generations to come, why not have a go?
Yeah, I suppose for me, it's the first time I was at a kind of conference like this. It's a real eye-opener, to be honest with you. And it probably gives you reassurance that, you're not in the minority. Well, you maybe are, but there's so many groups out there like you, and have like what we are, and have the same interests, and such a desire and such a pride in where they come from. A lot of it is down to pride in your own area, I suppose. So yeah, it's a real learning thing for me anyway, and a lot of things we can take back and work on for sure.
Wonderful. Well, let's have another big round of applause for all our speakers this afternoon.